It's the last day of 2019, December 31st. And we got a snowstorm right now. We've got about 7 or so inches, 7 to 8 inches, and the snow's still falling. It's supposed to fall until later this afternoon. So my guess is we'll end up right around 10 inches or so. Still not quite enough to wear snowshoes, but I'm gonna head out here. My guess is the deer are hunkered down, so there won't be any new tracks in the snow. But if there is, I'll be able to follow them because they're gonna be really fresh, so. There's some tracks right here. I don't know if you can see them. They're not really fresh. I mean, they are new since the snow started yesterday evening, but there's some snow in them. I'm guessing that's the only kind of tracks I'm going to be seeing out here today with the snow falling like this. The good thing is it's not very cold out right now with this storm. It's like 25 degrees Fahrenheit, which isn't bad at all. There's a little bit of a breeze, so if you're up in the wind, it's a bit cooler feeling, but it's actually raining down along the coast right now of Maine, about 30 miles south of here. Thankfully, I think we're gonna stay all snow. They said it might mix a little bit with some sleet later today, but now it looks like it's just going to stay all plain snow. My guess is we'll get another 2 to 3 inches, maybe a bit more throughout the day today. There's a set of tracks right there. As you can see, they're filled in with a little bit of snow, so it's pretty tough to tell what made them. Pretty short steps, so my guess is it's either a fox or a small coyote. And it's by itself. The deer right now have all herded up, so I'm pretty confident that it's not a deer. Hear the train. It's definitely a winter wonderland out here. Well, other than some fresh rabbit tracks and those older coyote tracks, I'm gonna call it, nothing's moving out here, kind of like I figured with this storm. Typically you've got to wait a day or so after the storm ends before you see some animal movement, especially the deer. So I just came out to kind of see the snow, enjoy the hike. It's so quiet out here when it's snowing like this. You don't hear a thing. Hopefully we can get some more storms like this within the next couple of weeks and we can break the snowshoes out. Still haven't needed them yet because there isn't enough. I guess technically you could use them, but it's not really going to make anything any easier. It actually would be more work because you'd be sinking down just as far with the snowshoes on as you would without them. Well guys, that's going to do it for this video. Like I said, just wanted to come out here and enjoy the snow. I was hoping to see some fresh tracks, but no luck there. I kind of figured that'd be the case. The animals don't really move around much at all when there's a storm like this, so we'll wait another day. Maybe tomorrow we'll come out and see if there's anything moving around. I really want to get some good actual footage of those deer that I've been getting pictures of on my game camera. It's pretty tough to do, but I'm going to keep trying, and then we're going to keep looking for the sheds as well. They should be dropping their antlers within the next week or, well, probably over the next few weeks, I would say. So thanks again for watching. If you haven't, now would be a great time to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave some comments below. Let me know any of the content you'd like to see. I'm going to keep doing hikes like this, as well as going to hopefully some different mountains and do some winter hikes on some mountains this winter, if I get the chance to do that. That's my plan at least. So thanks again. Happy New Year. We'll see you in the next video.